got me on Instagram or you're a bit of a smart cookie, this is actually the second day I've tried to film this video. Yesterday went to shit, couldn't film anything, but I've gone and put on the same shirt and that in the hopes that no one's going to be able to tell, but I guess I've just outed myself now. Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now this week, we've got a proper Marmite crepe. You're either going to be on this or you're not. And this is a pair of the Nike Air Zoom Flight 95s. I'm here for the nostalgia. I'm not going to hold you. I am over the hype. I'm over what is hot. I'm at this point in my life. Side note, yes, I am only 24. But I'm at this point in my life where I just want to pick up kicks that are a little throwback for me, something that, you know, gives me nostalgia of something when I was a kid, and I'm just here for it. Honestly, I love it. So you actually might have already seen these pair because Drake was pictured wearing them courtside, and he has recently been pictured wearing a similar pair. So I don't know if that second pair is going to be, you know, a release he later brings out with Nike or what. I don't know, but I think they're dope. And if you're one of them people that maybe don't like this silhouette, you might actually have to get used to it because it is also rumoured that this week Supreme are going to be dropping their very own Paisley Pack pair, which I'm hyped for. I think they look dope. So enough with the chat, let's go ahead and open these up. Now it's business as usual because this is a real-time unboxing. So as you can see, I haven't taken a peep inside here. We're about to go ahead and open this up. But if you wouldn't mind dropping a like or comment or maybe even subscribing if you're enjoying this video or any of my others, that would be blessed. Right, how am I going to open? Aha, there's a pull thing. They gave me the whammest box for the smallest things. So here we have the box, and I don't really know what I was expecting box-wise, but it is just that, you know, most standardized, boring of Nike boxes. I'm pretty sure even like the non-sneakerheads on here have even seen this box. Like, it's just a generic Nike box. Nike detailing on the front and the sides and the back, all of that business. Of course, we also have the sizing on the front. Unfortunately for me, these were only, you know, sizing in a 5.5 and up, which is slightly too big for me, but I'm hoping we can make it work. What the fuck? Why is my shoe dirty? These are fucked up, bro. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what we've done here, like. Now this is a shame because I do actually like these. These are bust up. Like, I might as well go over the QC now before we get into the details because this is like very disappointing. Not only is like, I don't even want to say paintwork. I don't know, but the bottom half it just looks a bit shoddy. I got the Nike tick is all like muddied up, all like brown. I don't know why. Then the other side, it looks like a crack or something in that. Like, it's actually, I think this is the worst pair of quality control like I've ever seen. Like, this is shocking. Now let's just gloss over that slightly depressing fact for a minute and let's just get into the core elements of this kick. Now what this kick is basically essentially a 90s basketball shoe, and it was made most famous by Jason Kidd, if you know your basketball, all of that stuff, Hall of Famer, big deal of a guy in it. And the kick itself, I think, was the first to kind of have this Zoom Air technology. Now, they did release these again back in 2015. I think it was the same colorway or at least somewhat similar. And they have just re-released this now, obviously in this white, black and silver colorway for the 20th anniversary. So let's start with this upper. We first have this black nubuck. We also have some like stitching on here in this kind of wavy design. Again, it's in black, so it's not too in your face. It then comes down to these carbon fiber accents. And you can see in this kind of black and white checkered design. Heading towards the back, we can see one of the few ticks that we have on here. So we do have this one in the white stitching. We then on the toe box have one in the black stitching just with the white outline. Heading inside, we do have more branding, just that generic Nike Air in the white, and we have that black suck liner that just kind of complements everything. Keeping it at the top then, we then just have, we've kept it all black, we've kept it very simple. We've got this tongue that does have a nice little bit of padding. It feels soft in there, not gonna hold you. It then goes into these laces that are essentially like a rope lace. I know some people really don't like the rope laces, some people all for it. For me, laces aren't really a big deal. Like I said, they are that two-tone, so they are black, and we can just see kind of dashes of white in there. Heading towards the back silhouette shows a proper unit of a shoe that this is. We've also got a nice little pull tab. It does dip down at the back. Again, I feel like that's something some people are gonna love or hate. And we just have that Flight branding on the back in that stitching. Of course, we've then got to address the elephant in the room. You know, the elements that make this kick so noticeable, so iconic, is the Zoom Air circles in the midsole. They've also kind of been dubbed like bug eyes. These just beasts, like complete beasts. What I actually like here is in the back, they've also kind of got the air engraved into the back unit. Definitely a nice touch. We then have this rubber outsole that goes to the sole itself. And another touch that I like in the sole, even though it's kind of plain, like there's not really too much going on. We've obviously got a little bit of grip here. But in this pot here, I don't know if you can see on the camera right now, but we've got a nice little swoosh tick detailing in there. And the way it kind of just reflects or whatnot, like it makes it kind of look like glass. Obviously it's not glass, but it's definitely a vibe. Since I've been and tried these on, let's go ahead and get into sizing. Now, I would definitely recommend these being true to size. Obviously, they're a bit big for me, but they were going to be anyway because they are half a size bigger than my regular size. But they didn't feel anything too insane. Like, I feel like I probably could kind of get away with them a little bit. They weren't going to be too bulky on my feet. So essentially, if you are looking to pick these up, I would recommend going for your regular size. If you've been on this channel for a minute, you know one last thing I like to do before I go is just give you guys a little bit of a roundup, initial first thoughts, gas rating, what am I saying. Now, the QC on this has really brought the levels down for me. I'm not going to bring it down too much because I know that QC is personal, pair to pair. Hopefully, if you went and got these, your pair wouldn't be like mine. But the more I look at it, the more I can see. I've not only got scuffs on the toe box, that dirtied up tick, and the crack on the back. It's just really upsetting. I'm also kind of annoyed that they just don't do my size in this. But I do like the kick. So for that reason, I'm just going to have to sit kind of in the middle and I'm just going to give them a 6. Okay guys, so thanks for making it to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking with me and opening up these kicks. As always, let me know your thoughts below because I bare feel a lot of people aren't going to be on this, like, at all. And I'm kind of a little bit upset now. Like, I don't know if I'm going to bother picking up another pair because it's just long, innit? Like, it's just one of them things. Alternatively, you know you can come over to Instagram or all the other good places where I appear on the internet. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. But look, this is the levels. Like, I'm 24, I'm buying out of pure nostalgia, and I've got a bad knee. Like, it's just all going downhill from here, innit? NBA. I can't fucking talk, bruv. Yo, guys, what the fuck is that? Like fucking World War III, some shit. God help me editing this. Bruv, that's so annoying. So annoying. I actually win something for the, like, and it's like, I can't even wear these. Alright.